Good morning, guys. Today is October 28th, 2020, and this is our daily live lesson video. Before we get started, please make sure you have a piece of paper and a pencil. If you don't, pause the video here and go grab it. I want to make sure that you are following along and doing everything I do. Okay, guys, remember, writing stuff down helps you learn new concepts. So I really need you to do what we would normally do on our live video. We're going to start with our DOL. Remember, whatever I write or whatever I type in red, you need to write in your journal. So please make sure you are still doing that. The first sentence says, Toby rided his bike down the road. So Toby needs to be capitalized because it is a name and it's the beginning of a sentence. Rided needs to be changed to rode his bike down the road, period. Rided is not correct grammar. Number 2, Bob ran in a race on May 6, 1997. So Bob needs to be capitalized. Ran in a race on May needs to be capitalized. 6, and then we talked about this last week, you need a comma after the date and before the year. So between the 6 and the 1997. Which word is spelled correctly? Good has 2 O's in it. Find the words that go together. Milk, water, bread, juice. That would be milk, water, and juice. Those are all liquids and drinks that we use during the day. Where does the comma go? Okay, so just like up here, we also need to know where a comma goes between a city and a state. So you always have the city, Salem, comma, Oregon is the state. So like it would be Arlington, comma, Texas. Alright, so you should have read the story Gigi and the Wishing Ring a few times now. Yesterday I mentioned the theme. Okay, so the theme for this story is making sure that you tell the truth. Alright, in the story Gigi lies to the girl that he meets and he tells her that he has this big mansion and things like that, and then it kind of turns on him. So, and then she ends up lying to him. So it's kind of like treat people like you want to be treated. In your reading canvas today, you have a vowel diphthong activity, and we are talking about the OW and the OU sound and how they make the same sound. So what we're going to do here is we are going to put these words into a spot. Alright, so not up. That would be down. Notice it's making the ow sound. Not a smile would be a frown. A kangaroo has one. Pouch. You eat with this. Mouth. And right at this moment would be now. So all of those words make the ow sound. So you have OW, that makes the ow sound. And you have OU, and that also makes the same sound. Alright, let's move into math. So go get a piece of paper and a pencil, and I want you to break your paper in half, or draw a line down the middle, and do 10 times 4 and 10 times 6. Remember, you can do an array, skip counting, equal groups, or repeated addition. And guys, there's an easy trick for tens. Okay, so you have 1 0 in the 10, and you have a 4. So write your 4, add your 0. Tens are easy and simple just like that. So 10 times 4 would be 40. Same thing here. You have 1 0 and you have a 6. So 10 times 6 is 60. Okay, so tens are very, very easy. Okay guys, we are going to do something called repeated subtraction. So let's go ahead and jump into it. Okay, so I'm going to start with my total, which is 20. Okay, and it's repeated subtraction, so we're subtracting. 10 minus 5 is 15. Now I'm going to take that 15 and I'm going to bring it down here and I'm going to keep subtracting. Minus 5 equals 10. Now I'm going to take my 10, bring it down here. 10 minus 5, 5. And I'm going to keep going until I get to 0. Bring my 5 down here. 5 minus 5 is 0. And I did that 1, 2, 3, 4 times. So 20 divided by 5 is 4. So this is called repeated subtraction. If you did not have a piece of paper or a pencil, please go grab one now, pause the video, and draw all of that yourself, please. Okay, let's do 18 minus 3. So again, we're going to start with our total, 18. We're going to take away 3. So 18, 17, 16, 15. Bring my 15 down. 14, 13, 12. Okay. 12, bring that down. Sorry guys, this should say 3. That's my bad. We're subtracting 3 every time. 12 minus 3 is 9. Bring your 9 down. 9 minus 3 is 6. Bring your 6 down. Minus 3 is 3. Bring your 3 down, and 3 minus 3 is 3. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 18 divided by 3 is 6. So this is a strategy. Remember yesterday we did equal groups. So we did circles, 3 circles, and you put 1 in at a time until you got to 6. (17, 18), and you got 6 in all 3. So you get the same answer as you do when you do repeated addition. It's just another strategy. Okay guys, that is our live lesson for today. This make sure at 9:10 is when my office hours start. So if you have a question, 9:10 is when they start, and that is over at 9:40. So 9:10 to 9:40 is my Zoom hours if you need to hop on and ask a question, okay? If you don't have any questions, then you don't have to get on the Zoom. Alright guys, I will talk to you later. And have a good day.